Hi, today I am going to show you how to make the bouquet garni. The bouquet garni is a special bouquet of herbs, and is used in a lot of the cooks that we cook, a lot of our recipes. It's a combination of basil, bay leaves, rosemary, and thyme. And I like to wrap it in leeks leaves. You can also put it on a cheesecloth, but here I have leek leaves. So we put basil, and we put the rosemary, the bay leaves, the thyme, all together. I use about 3 or 4 sticks of each, and then I wrap it around, cover it with the bay leaves real tight, and then I go ahead and put a string around it to make it really tight, and then we just throw the bouquet garni into the food that we're preparing, and there you go, bouquet garni. Very aromatic. This is the bouquet of flavor. Try it, you will like it. Until the next video, or until the next meal.